Please don't kill me, Mom. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. My name is Rachel. Thanks for coming. I was just at camp for 5 weeks. Like, I got tan, I got blonder, and I got lots of packages while I was gone. I kind of just bought a lot of things while I was there. I wanted to film an unboxing slash haul for you guys because I feel like people really love those. I probably spent my paycheck, if I'm gonna be honest. Let me tell you how many packages I have first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 packages. So I had this package. Absolutely no idea where this is from. My family's convinced I have a shopping problem. Oh, LOL, this is medication. I got so excited. It's an EpiPen that I take with me. It was kind of a letdown. Well, I have this box that just says from shipping center. I'm lazy. Oh! So these are from Claw Beauty. It's basically press-on nails. And I wasn't sure, like, how much access I would have to a manicurist. First ones I have are these iridescent ones. Picasso vibe ones. Look how cool these are. I have these classic star ones. These like flower ones. These also super cute wavy ones. These like marble green ones with some weight. They last actually a pretty long time. And I'm very excited because those are very pretty colors. Next, I have this Shutterfly package. You go to a gap year program like I am. So people get pictures for their wall. So I bought a bunch from Shutterfly. I bought like 200. So these are all pictures. Me and my friends at graduation. Some random selfies. Family picture. I know I got a lot. They're obviously not all going to be a whole photo wall. I did a lot of Amazon orders. What's in here? Oh, I got a new AirPods case. First of all, they gave me like a cleaner for my AirPods, I think. Look how cute that is. So I'm gonna put it on right now. Just like that. Oh, I love. And they gave me all these like extra accessories, like a wire. I know if it's like, why would you buy not wired headphones just to wear wire? But like when you're sleeping, it's actually good because then if it falls, it's like that. Another Amazon package. There also might be some try-ons in this video because I did order like clothing. First things first, I got my favorite. It's a detangling milk and I spray this in my hair after the shower. Game changer. I can never find it in store. I always have to order it online. But when I tell you, your hair feels so soft from using it. Becomes so shiny. Like, look at this. So I wear earrings, like open hoops. They don't latch in the back, so I have to use earring backs obviously, but I always lose them and I'm afraid I was gonna lose all of them. I bought a pack of 100 clear earring backs. I like the clear ones specifically. They're more comfortable. The metal ones always hurt my ears. I'm so excited for these because I actually lost 2 in camp. Look how amazing. This giant pack of claw clips. So I actually broke some in camp, which is, you know, so fab. I just decided, like, I wear these every day. I might as well just get a giant pack. And they have all these different colors. I personally love the yellow because I think it really looks cute with my hair. Like, I'm more into the lighter colors. The white would look really cute. Oh, I love this pink one. And what's in here? Okay, guys, I'm obsessed with these, and it's not what you think. This is not a jewel or vape or whatever you call it. These are glass nail files. Look at how stunning. It's a pack. I got a pack of 3. They're so much better for your nails, so much healthier. My campers were obsessed with mine. Like, your nails are just so much healthier. They don't break as often. Highly recommend. And I'm really excited for these. And also they come in some pretty pastel colors. So this I just got today actually, and I think I know what it is. Back in April, Target launched a collab with some designers. Rixo, I think is how you pronounce it, and Christopher John Rogers, and one more person. And so I bought one of the Rixo dresses recently, but the Christopher John Rogers ones sold out so quickly. And there was this gorgeous dress I had my eye on. I found it for 2 sizes up on eBay. Right, it's new with tags. Okay, I gotta like figure out how to show you guys. Guys, I love this dress. Oh my god. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Also really happy I sized up 2 sizes. I'm obsessed with this. Okay, this purchase, best one I made the whole time. Now we have another Amazon bag. Oh, boring. Well, this is just underwear, a necessity. I only have 1 piercing on each ear, but I wear ear cuffs all the time. And look how gorgeous these. Thick layer of solid 14K gold over jeweler's brass core. So it's gold filled. Love that. Like that. And then I usually wear my hoops, and I just love it. All right, let us continue on with our unboxing. Okay, more Amazon, but I think I know what this one is. So there's a good chance I'll be in quarantine while I'm there. for I don't know how long, depends if I test positive for antibodies or not. And so I decided to buy this. I kept seeing this all over the internet. It's a cold case murder file, and you basically have to solve it, and it looks so much fun. My only issue is once you play it, you can't play again, but like I would pass it around with people. I think it's also a great bonding experience. I also love puzzles. So this is Fabu. I'll let you guys know how it is. And then I just got this like electronic traveling case. I'll open it up for you. So this is just a case to kind of hold my chargers and my like converters and things like that, like wires. I got this from Francesca's. So in camp, when I would have a day off, we went to this giant mall an hour and a half away from us, and there was a Francesca's in there, and they had this gorgeous skirt my friend bought, but they didn't have any left in my size. So I bought it online. Look how stunning. My mom's gonna kill me because I have so many skirts, but look how stunning this is. It's a slip skirt, and I got it on sale and with a coupon. It's see-through, so I'm not gonna show it to you on me. It hits right below my knees, which is great. Oh, I got this denim skirt from Amazon. I needed a long denim skirt because I don't have one. I got this a while ago. I didn't even remember ordering this, honestly. Basically, a midi denim skirt. I just want to make sure you guys can see it. It has a nice little slit at the bottom. There's about this much extra space, but it doesn't bother me that much. And because I now have a new skirt on, I'm gonna open my giant ASOS package, and we'll try them on together. I know my room is a mess right now. Like, I'm still unpacking a little bit. Use sweaters. Please don't kill me, Mom. So let's just go in order. Okay, I love this sweater. It's so cute. It's so pink. I also kind of love this neckline. Like, it's a mock neck vibe. Okay, next one. This one's a bit more oversized, but I still love it. They had it in a purple, but I feel like this one's cooler because it's got these like yellow undertones. It's great for a colder day. Guys, all these fits with the denim skirt, they're all gonna look so well. So cute. This one was probably the priciest, but I love it. I think the contrast is so cool. How cute. Guys, I'm obsessed with all these sweaters. They're so comfortable. Oh my god. These are all a little big, so if you plan on getting any of these, like, size down if you're not super into the giant oversized. But I think it's adorable. And I have 2 more to try on, so let's do it. Look how cute. My friends all said to me this is kind of Christmas vibes, and like, I'm Jewish, so Christmas is not mine. I love the color. I think it makes my eyes pop. See? This is just a plain white sweater. Great basic, makes me look tan. I did size down to a small in this one, so 2 sizes down. So that's all the clothes, and so I'm just gonna bring you back over there. I'm not even gonna change because I want to finish this up for you guys. So I have very straight hair, as you can see, and the only thing that works is my sister's curling irons by Numi. I have their straightener. It's amazing. They're Titan 3 set. They're made of titanium instead of ceramic. They were sold out on the website, and I emailed, and they're like, probably Black Friday we'll get them back in stock. And I was like, that's not gonna work for me. So I found brand new, unused, new with tags on Poshmark, a full set. First of all, look how pretty that royal blue color is. They all came wrapped up. I paid 60% less, I think. I can finally curl my hair. This is the color of the wand. I personally wanted the pink one, but the people who were selling the pink ones wouldn't answer me. I bought these instead, and I'm just super excited to use these. Maybe I'll like show you guys me using them one day. Because I'm gonna be packing so much, I bought one of these things that they use in the stores to help you fold your clothes. Looks like this. It'll be helpful when I move into my dorm. I got my Redbubble stickers for my water bottle. I'm gonna go clean that water bottle today. It is gross. His battery died, had to change it. I was in the middle of showing you my stickers. So I have Marie from the Aristocats. Like, I feel like if I were a character in a cartoon, that is me. I also have a little bit dramatic. I don't know if you picked up on that, but yeah. All natural boys tears. I feel like boys tears are just like the most nutritious and empowering drink out there. A bagel, because they're actually my favorite food on the planet. I also have AP Jewish Geography. If you guys aren't Jewish, you might not be aware of what Jewish geography is. But it's basically like you can always know the same person, even if you've literally met like a random Jew. Let's say one person is from Florida, another person is from Kansas, and they could like literally figure out people that they know. It's the funniest thing. This is actually a sticker I designed. My Redbubble will be linked in the comments below. I got my brother and I matching stickers. I have a twin brother. I don't know if you knew this, but it says evil and evil are twin. And this is like really the longest we'll be apart. since we've been alive. So I'm really gonna miss him, and I decided to get us matching stickers. I also got Blonde and Bougie, self-explanatory, and I got Elle Woods because probably one of the best movie characters of all time. I stand by that statement. Those are all the packages I got. I'll show you just quickly some of the makeup I bought while at camp. Becca Cosmetics is going out of business due to COVID. So sad. So they've been selling a lot of their products at TJ Maxx, trying to get rid of their stock. So for $12.99, I found an untouched full size Becca highlighter, which retails for I believe like $38. Look how stunning. The shade Moonstone. I'm so excited for this. It's so pretty. And then on the same Becca note, I also got Light Shifter Finishing Veil Powder. I need a new finishing powder, and this was also $12.99. I think retails also for $38. How stunning. It's very light because I'm very light. This is probably more of my like not summer shade. And the last thing I got from Becca from TJ Maxx, I got this for $8.99. My absolute favorite highlighter. It's their highlighter, but it's like a pink. It's in the shade Lilac. It's all broken and the package was closed. I don't get that, so I can fix it. It's not that hard. This like lip balm from them, I don't care that much about it. I'm really sad about that highlighter. Wow, I have to fix that. I got from Morphe 2 this Nourishing Lip and Cheek Mousse. Look how pretty that is. I love a more natural blush. I got this Milk Makeup Kush mascara. I don't have the box anymore, so I can't tell you how much I bought it for. But I love this mascara. I think it's one of the best mascaras on the market. Oh, actually, it was $5.99. And then finally, I have my favorite eyeliner from NYX. The Slide On Glide and Stay, and definitely Turn On Waterproof Extreme Shine eyeliner. I got it in 3 shades from Nordstrom Rack. This emerald, silver, and jewel color. I think I have almost all the shades. They're absolutely my favorite. They're also like sharpening pencils, so you can use them forever. And now that I have this, so we have all of this garbage going on here and all of this to put away, but I'm super happy that I've finally unboxed everything. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more. Now that I'm home, hopefully I'll make some more videos for you guys. Hopefully my paycheck will come in soon and just replenish my bank account, because she's looking a little thin right now. But yeah, thank you guys so much for all the love and support, and I will see you next time. Bye.